7132 Hotel is located in Wales, Switzerland. It's built in a small village where you can see all the mountains and landscapes. Restaurant Silver is awarded with 2 Michelin stars and 18 Gomeo points. It has about 9 tables. Let me take you around the kitchen. Every guest gets the personal letter from Silver introducing our staff and giving a warm welcome to the guests. When I was in Restaurant Silver, we used to have occasional Sundays, trying making new dishes. We usually call it Freaky Sundays, where everyone in the kitchen try to make a dish of their own and try to present it in front of the group so we see how it's going. Our restaurant had a 10-course surprise menu where nothing is written on the menu, so it's totally a surprise what you're gonna get. And I think it's an amazing journey. For about 3 hours you're gonna get really different kind of meals paired with amazing wines, trying to do a different concept than other restaurants. We didn't have a specific cuisine. We tried to adapt from nature, from our surroundings, and we're gonna get what's in our surroundings. And every Thursday we go on foraging with our kitchen team and try to forage more herbs, some wild herbs, mushrooms, and whatever we can get from the mountains. We also have our local garden where we grow flowers and more stuff, and we use them in our snacks and every dish possible. And we stay very connected to our teammates and try to do things all together as a teamwork. On the other side, our service teams makes the perfect tables ready with ironing the sheets and making everything ready for customers to get by. Everything has to be perfect in a way. The head chef of the restaurant is Mitja Birlo, and he's one of the most genuine person I've ever met, and he is amazing, creative and down to earth. The menu consists of 2 fish items, 1 vegetarian, 2 meat, a pre-dessert, and many more. Chef Mitja gives everyone an equal opportunity to come forward and help him in getting the new dishes for the menu.
Ja, ready? Was machen wir machen? Zicke, zacke, zicke, zack!
Hoi, hoi, hoi!